In some breaking news, Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu has said that loan waivers aren't the solution for a farm crisis and should be done only in an extreme situation. Now, just very recently, we have seen farmers agitating across various states of the country, in particular the BJP-ruled states. In fact, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh even announcing that huge loan waiver for the farmers, and other states also announcing a farm loan waiver. We have the reaction of the Union Minister. Let's listen in.
We are Indians, we have self-respect. स्वावलंबना हमारा ये है, मगर पैसा का जरूरत है तो उसको लोन लेंगे, बैंक भी लोन लेंगे। अभी एक फैशन हो गया आजकल, लोन लिया तो लोन वेवर करो। ये लोन किसका, पैसा किसका है? स्टेट बैंक में जो जमा है अरुंधति जी का मैडम का पैसा है क्या? आप लोगों का पैसा है। यहाँ माफ करे तो वहां पे करना पड़ेगा, तो माफ करना पड़ेगा एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन में, मगर वो कोई फाइनल सोल्यूशन नहीं है।
I'm going to go straight across now to Mayuresh for more on this. Mayuresh, it's very interesting because just very recently in an exclusive interview to India Today, RSS ideologue S. Gurumurthy pretty much said the same thing, that knee-jerk reactions like an occasional loan waiver to farmers will not really help address the agrarian crisis and the farmer issues.
Certainly, Avantika, and one point which I would like to point it out to our viewers, that in this particular bite which we played right now, he clearly said that loan waiver has become a fashion now. Log loan lete lekin repayment ka kya? That's what he said. So it's a really sad comment or unfortunate comment coming from a union minister. On one hand, the states like Maharashtra or Madhya Pradesh as well as the UP, where the farmers really fought for the loan waiver, they were actually in a need of a loan waiver. But on the second hand, the union minister is saying that loan waiver has become a fashion and it should be given in extreme condition, only in extreme condition. So certainly it's this kind of comments coming from central minister or the cabinet, or we can say that the senior minister, is really discouraging for the farmers who are still battling to get the loan waiver. Because in Maharashtra also, though Maharashtra government has announced it that they will be giving a loan waiver to the farmers, but they have not decided the criteria. Today the meeting will be underway between the farmer leaders as well as between the ministers to decide the criteria. But on the backdrop of this, if the comment from the central minister is coming that the loan waiver has become a fashion and it should be given in only in extreme condition, then it is really sad state of affairs.
Oh, indeed, and that's the big question that's being asked of the government as well. That do they have a long-term strategy to change the face of agriculture in our country? Let's just play out that reaction by the union minister Venkaiah Naidu, who himself said that loan waivers to farmers is not the long-term solution to this issue.
We are Indians, we have self-respect. स्वावलंबना हमारा ये है, मगर पैसा का जरूरत है तो उसको लोन लेंगे, बैंक भी लोन लेंगे। अभी एक फैशन हो गया आजकल, लोन लिया तो लोन वेवर करो। ये लोन किसका, पैसा किसका है? स्टेट बैंक में जो जमा है अरुंधति जी का मैडम का पैसा है क्या? आप लोगों का पैसा है। यहाँ माफ करे तो वहां पे करना पड़ेगा, तो माफ करना पड़ेगा एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन में, मगर वो कोई फाइनल सोल्यूशन नहीं है।